Sa birthday. Sa birthday. Birthday.
Okay. Okay, go.
Pwede ba party muna before tayo mag-good friends? One.
After natin kumanta, pag-blow nyo, bigay tayo ng message. Isa-isa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday, sir!
Yay! Make a wish.
Wish. I wish out loud ba?
I wish everyone to get drunk tonight.
Even Mariel!
Birthday
Hoy!
brother.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Mama,
wish mo! Rika!
Okay.
I don't know if there's anything else you need in this world. But I wish you to be ready in everything. And I hope that you will be happy and
Because of my shot.
satisfied sa lahat ng decisions
Zip na lang. Isang zip.
in life.
Thank you, thank you.
Very happy.
Well, you're very young. And, as if matanda na. Pero you're very young kasi 20 ka lang. And I wish na lahat ng gagawin mo in life, in the future, masasabi mo, proud ako, I did that.
Alright. Thank you.
Ako, happy birthday, kulit cumpleaños. Sana more happy birthdays. I wish you all the best. At sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Tapos, yun, enjoy ka lagi.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Ako, sinabi ko na kanina yung wish ko. Wish ko is for you to be happy. More or happier than sa happiness na nararamdaman mo ngayon. And longer life and successful career in tomorrow or in the next days. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, ang wish ko, since actually you're very admirable kasi beautiful ka inside and out. So, ang wish ko lang ay palagi kang mag-ask ask the Lord's guidance and may He continue to bless you and palagi kang maging happy. Yeah, wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Your birthday.
Thank you.
Sam, I'm so happy that we know each other. I'm so very happy that I wish you all the best and go in life. Sam, thank you. Thank you for everything and I love you.
Thank you. Thank you. Ano ba yan?
Well, Sam, everyone said what they wanted to say now, so it's basically the same. So I'm happy for you to spend your birthday here and very happy to spend the day with you. Happy birthday.
Sam, we wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you all the luck. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mike.
I've known you for almost a month. No?
Yeah.
And from the moment I see you in the morning until I bid good night, you still continue to mesmerize me. So happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you for the spaghetti.
Happy birthday.